Hello guys, this is softmemeware here, and inside this video let's get into the product Quantum WebApps. Firstly, let me give you a very big thank you for giving your precious time to watch this video. So inside this video I will show you the product from inside and give you a detailed overview of this tool. And as usual, I will be giving some good and cool bonus pack with this product if you purchase it from my website. Okay, some good software pack and also some case studies. So I will talk about the bonus a little bit later because I have to clear the product. I should clear the product firstly, I think, and after clearing the product, after clarifying everything about the product, I will go through the bonuses. Or you can use the timestamps given on the video description link, given in the video description link. From there you can directly watch the bonus part if you want to. Okay, so let me start with the product now. Let me start with a very brief about this product. This product is all about messenger marketing or bot marketing. Maybe for some of you don't know about messenger marketing, what is bot marketing. Okay, so this is a pretty new and very modern concept, like inside internet marketing, and marketers are really using it, and this is trending. Okay, so this is a new kind of marketing, new era marketing. So whereas the email marketing has the open rate like 2.5% out of 100% to 2.5% open rate, and the click-through rate is 1.1%. With respect to the messenger marketing has more than 70 or 60% open through rate, and as well as the click-through rate also very much increased inside messenger marketing. That's why marketers are preferring the messenger marketing. So this is all about messenger marketing. This is the dashboard of this tool and some numerics inside here. So this tool have done a good thing that it has given the tutorial section in the beginning. Okay, so you can go through each and every tutorial if you want to. I have gone through some of them, and after going through I have started using the tool, and the tool is pretty much clear to me now. So these are the tutorials you can check out. Each of the tutorials are lengthy and will show you the product from totally inside, and I think after going through the tutorial you have no query. You will face no query, and nothing will be unclear to you. Okay, so the first option is, after tutorial, the first option is comment feature. So inside comment feature, the first option is comment template. So let me open the comment template. Inside comment template you can create any new comment template, and let me put here any random name and any random auto commenting section inside it, and click on save. Okay, it is saved, and you can now edit it and delete it. Whatever you want to do you can do here. So the next option is reply template. Okay, let me open it inside a new tab, and let me show you. It is taking a bit time, so it has come. Let me click on create new template. So inside create new template there are so many features or so many options, so many forms to fill up. So I have already integrated my Facebook page inside it. After purchasing the tool, you have to integrate your Facebook page, your Instagram page. If you have, you should integrate it, and then only you can start using it. So inside it you can use after putting your page, if you want to hide any offensive comment, like you can put here any keywords like shit or maybe damn, something like that, or maybe poor. Okay, so you can target the keywords. If you hide the sensitive comments, you can hide them, or you can directly delete them. Once someone have commented with this word, it will be deleted directly via this tool. You have nothing to change or nothing to worry, and you can use your templates, previously done template. Like I have just done a comment template, and you can use that also. You can use the enable the auto commenting, enable comment reply, instant reply, and you can also use the multiple reply for anyone who is commenting. You can comment back them, thank you for commenting us, thank you for commenting on our page, something like that. And you can use the single commenting feature, and there are some more features like generic message to all, thank you for commenting. You can put here, you can target the keyword also here. Okay, and you can put your message here, or you can send by filtering some words. Okay, so you can target the words. If someone says good, you can just ask them for your product, or more and more something affiliate marketing you can do from here. Okay, so this is the commenting feature for your page. And now let me go through the main features like the bot or the messenger bot feature. Okay, so the next feature is so this is the automation campaign. Let me put it inside in a new tab. So this is the automation feature. You can automate your comment, you can automate for any other pages. This is my posts, you can automate everything inside it. Okay, and the next feature is tag campaign and report campaign. This is very little feature, I have not gone through this much. Okay, so the next option is inside messenger tool, the subscriber manager. Okay, so inside subscriber manager, this is the main feature inside this tool. You can manage your subscribers inside it. You can manage your subscriber basically, and you can use you can get the numerics inside it, and also you can manage them. You can go through the settings. You can use also the email subscribing feature inside it, also SMS subscribing feature. Inside bot marketing also they are including these things, like inside ManyChat is also a bot messaging software. Okay, so bot marketing software, also messenger bot marketing software, they also giving these features like SMS or email feature and also messenger feature. Okay, so messenger as well as these two features also given inside it. And like many chats are charging after up to 500 subscribers, they are getting it. You can get it free. After 500 in ManyChat you have to pay something, and you have to pay on a monthly basis, but this tool is for one-time payment. Okay, you can get it. And this is a messenger bot. So inside messenger bot there are also some settings, you can go through them. This is pretty much techie setting. You have to know something inside tech. This is JSON page building, something like that, API and email autoresponder, web form builder, saved template. Once you have start exploring it, everything will be cleared more and more to you, and they have given so many videos inside it, so you should have nothing to worry. And this is an e-commerce store feature. So inside it you can manage your page like a store, like like you can use the checkout option inside your page, inside your Facebook page. You can change the appearance or something like that. You can go through more and more messages via affiliate marketing or something like that. You can do inside it also. Okay, so the next option is maybe I have cleared many more things inside it. Okay, so the next option is posting feature, social posting feature. You can post anything via this tool also. And these are the utility tools, like you can search any keyword, you can get the interest of people. Okay, these two features are also given here. And this is a payment section, like you can use the renew of this package, like upgrade feature. Okay, something like that. And that was the tool. Now let me go through my bonuses and also the cost of this product and also the ratings, all of the other stuffs. So these are the ratings, and overall it has got 9.8 out of 10, which is an extremely outstanding rating, and this is future. Okay, so everyone should focus on now messenger marketing. I am also focusing. I have just started to focus like 1 week ago, and I have not got result, but I am trying on it. So this is the product price, 16 bucks. You have to pay only 16 bucks. This is a pretty ridiculously cheap tool, and this is the coupon code you can use. I have an affiliation with this tool. If you purchase it, I will be commissioned, and they are not charging. If you are buying it from my website, they are not charging you more, but I will be commissioned. Okay, so that is why I am making this video, and also I will be giving you the bonuses. Okay, I have an affiliation with this tool. So this is a coupon code, 25% discount on the front end. You can use this, and let me go through. These are all are the description. You can go through if you want to. You can use this all over tutorial video. It is taking time. Okay, so this is the product owner, and in my words, this is the future, and also this is a very cheap tool and also premium looking tool. You can rely on this tool. I have gone through it. Okay, I highly recommend. if you want to do messenger marketing. And these are the sales funnel. The first one is $16, and the next one is for Instagram bot comments. So inside front end you also be given the instant comment setup for Instagram, but if you want to use the bot comment for Instagram, you have to go through the Upsell one. The bot broadcasting $25 per month, and the messenger e-commerce $120 for one time, and Facebook bot poster is $67 for one time. And these are the bonuses, which I am very much eager to show you my bonuses. So inside bonus one, you will be given a software pack that will be consist of 5 softwares. Okay, all of the software description given inside one line, like one liner. The article index prover for article indexing, the recuva for permanent deleted files, you can recover them, and for lead capture, page matches is for lead capturing, like a very good lead capturing tool. The leadership authority is for, it is consist of 10 videos, and it will show you how you can become in saturated market, how you can become a leader inside saturated market in any niche. Okay, so the viral master list builder is for email marketing. So you will be given also bonus 2. Inside bonus 2 you will be given 4 live case studies. 4 live case studies is that can help you to grow more online, and that will be given to you totally free. If you purchase any upsell from my website, the upsells are costlier than the front end. That is why more valuable bonuses will be given to you. So I have separated some upsell bonuses like more softwares, more plugins, miscellaneous product, doodle images. You can resell them, the miscellaneous product, and after purchasing the product, you should go through this blue button. This blue button will show you the way of my bonuses. Okay, so that was the product overview, and also I have been collecting these kind of bonuses and separated for you the good bonuses. Okay, so I am signing out for the video. I am wrapping on this video, so bye bye.